My dear respected students, good morning to you all in your new session, that is session 2021 and 22. And hopefully we are here with a computer, which I think so that you all are missing. Those who are missing, type in a chat box, yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you are not missing, then type no problem. Okay, I'm just begin with the chapter number 1, my dear respected student. Here it is. The name of the chapter is, my dear respected student, Formulas in Excel 2013. And this is for class is 8th class. Very good, great. Okay, my dear respected student, first of all, I'm just going to display syllabus of periodic test 1, and it's my humble request that you all are requested to view this thing very with a very effective manner. That this is the syllabus of periodic test 1, where we are supposed to cover only 2 chapters. One is the formulas in Excel 2013, and second is to be considered as a creating charts in Excel 2013. So today we are just begin with the concept of formulas in Excel, that is 2013. And first point, and remember, this is not only a theoretical part, this is a practical session. This is a practical session, my dear respected student. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to display a pictorial representation, my dear respected student, of your Excel sheet. And today we are begin with the consideration or defining a cell. First of all, what do you understand by a cell? My dear respected students, there is a grid of cells are supposed to be displayed on the screen, and an individual जो एक cell है, that particular individual box is to be called as a cell. जिसको मेरी आवाज आ रही है और जिसको cell का बारे में पता लग गया, वो जरा yes type करना chat box पे. वेरी गुड अभी तक नहीं किया किसी ने यार. अरे वाह, 2 times y नहीं करना, सिर्फ आपने YES लिखना है. दैट इज दिस इज टू बी कंसीडर एज अ सेल. ओके, ग्रेट. Cell is clear, my dear respected student. Now, the next important thing, when we are working in Excel, that is a worksheet or a workbook, there is a grid of cells. बहुत सारे cells मिलेंगे. And when we talk about a group of cells, this group of cells is to be called as a range. This group of cell is to be called as a range. And very good, kindly concentrate. We are having a 2 different points. One is a column and second is a row. My dear respected students, the address of a column is A, B, C, D, E, and the address of the rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहां तक समझ आया हो तो काइंडली मेंशन. मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, आप टाइप करिएगा. द नेम ऑफ अ कॉलम बिगिंस फ्रॉम, मैंने अंडरलाइन दे दिया, मतलब डैश दे दिया. आप लिखिए, क्या लिखेंगे? ए. वेरी गुड. A to Z लिखना था यार. वैसे Z नहीं होता, ज्यादा ही होता है, पर आप कम से कम ये तो लिख दीजिए, A to Z इतना लिख दीजिए. ओके, वेरी गुड. And next thing, when we talk about the address of a row, then it begins from 1 to N, 1 to N, 1 to N, 1 to N. 1 to N. 1 to N. Very good. Great. Very good. Great. Okay. Now you all are watching the theoretical section, and now, my dear respected student, we talk about a practical session here. What we are going to do here, that this particular is a cell, and when we are supposed to select a group of cells, which is called as a mention करिए, chat box में type करिए, group of cells is to be called as a RAN, अभी तक नहीं आया, वेरी गुड, आ गया range. This is to be called as range. Okay, my dear respected student, kindly consider whenever we are going to click on a particular cell, the name of that particular cell is the combination of name of column, that is E here, and name of the row, that is 3. And here it is, this is mentioned here in a name box, that is E3. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? Okay, if I am talking about the address of that particular cell, it says that the name of the column is, type करिए chat box में, the name of the column is, जो मैंने अभी किया वहां पे जहां पे क्लिक किया हुआ है इस जगह पे, the name of the, अरे वाह, the name of the column is K and the name of the row is, very good, 2. Very good. Name of the row is 2. So it means the cell address is K2. Very good. Great. Now kindly concentrate. I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to click here in a name box. And now what I'm going to do, I want to select the entire row, that is a 2. So what we are going to mention here, 2 colon 2 and hit the enter key. Colon means a range. Colon is a symbol which represent a range, and here it is. The entire row number 2 is selected. Whereas if you want to select the entire column D, I'm just going to mention here D colon D. D colon representing a range. I'm just going to hit the enter key and it says that D is a column. अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, आई वॉन्ट टू सेलेक्ट द एंटायर कॉलम आई, चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए, क्या टाइप करेंगे फॉर सेलेक्टिंग द एंटायर कॉलम आई? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर आई. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? ओह वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, ग्रेट. I colon I, not I1, I colon I colon I. Colon is a range. Very good. If I want to select a row from row number 8 to row number 12, very good. Type in a chat box. If I want to select a row number 8 to 15, जल्दी से. अरे वाह, क्या बात है, 8 to 10 टाइप हो गया. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. 8 to 15, very good. Can I just display this with a practical demonstration here? 8 colon 15, great. And whenever we are going to enter here, it says that yes, the row, sorry, 8 to 15 is supposed to be selected. Okay, what we are going to do here, this is a cell 4, C4, and this is a cell J15. Now I'm just going to select this C5 colon J15 and hit the enter key. The range is going to be selected. I think so. The concept of range is cleared now. If cleared, then type yes. If not cleared, type no. Very good, very good, great. I'm waiting for you all. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good. Now I'm just again moving toward my presentation section. Very good. And this time we are talking about using formulas. Kindly concentrate. What I'm just going to do here, this is a formula bar. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate that this particular section is to be called as a formula bar. Whatever the formulas you want to type, you can type in that particular area. And when you are just typing that, in such case, you are supposed to click on this tick symbol, which is also to be called as a enter, enter. अभी मैंने आपसे क्या डिस्कस किया? What we have discussed, type in a chat box. मैंने क्या डिस्कस किया? First begins with the F and second begins with the E. Type in a chat box. Very good. Type in a chat box. F for dash bar. Very good. Great. Great. And E for okay. Be quick. E for enter. Very good. Very good. Great. Thank you very much. Now I'm just begin with can I just begin with the demonstration of some formulas, if you don't mind? I just want to give a demonstration, practical demonstration here. Okay, I'm just going to open this practical session, and this sheet is discussed with you all. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request, my dear students. This is the practical session which is there on your page number 8. This is there on your page number 8. I have also mentioned while watching video again, you have just view that thing, page number 8. This practical is there, where we have rule number 5, test 1, test 2, test 3, and total. Now, what I am going to do, I'm just going to type the formula here, and it's very important, my dear respected students, that before writing any formula, we are just going to insert a dash symbol. मेरे बच्चों एक बार जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में बता दीजिए मैंने क्या टाइप किया है. The formula begins with dash. The formula begins with dash. Very good, great. अभी तक नहीं आया. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह. डैश नहीं यार बेटा, हेजल डैश नहीं बेटा, इक्वल टू सिंबल, इक्वल टू. Very good, very good, very good, very good, great, thank you. And after that, what we are going to mention, we are going to mention the address of this cell, that is 56. अच्छा 56 सेल का एड्रेस मेंशन करो तो चैट बॉक्स में एक बार. 56 जहां पे लिखा हुआ है 56 चैट बॉक्स में मेंशन करिए क्या है उसका सेल एड्रेस. B2. अरे वाह क्या बात है. अच्छा आप देखिए मैंने क्या किया. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टाइप B2 हियर, plus after that I am going to type C2 here. Again the cell is automatically going to be selected. Then we have D2 here, and after that this is the enter symbol. We are going to hit the enter key, and automatically the addition is going to be performed. Addition is going to be performed. Now if I want to enter one more information, okay, I have inserted one more data, and if you want to copy that cell, there is no need. We are going to move the pointer towards the corner of that cell, bottom corner of that cell. The cursor or pointer is converted into plus, and then we drag this. Automatically the formula is going to be applied here. Formula यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Formula is supposed to be appeared here. Okay. Okay, one more very important thing. I'm just going to delete this. Now the concept we are talking about is POINTING, pointing, if spellings are correct, pointing. In spite of typing the address of formula, I'm just going to insert is equal to symbol. Then I'm just going to click on a 56 plus 78 plus 45 and hit the enter key or click on this enter symbol. In a similar way, again, click on a 34, insert a plus, click on 56, click on a plus. Again, here it is, and hit the enter key. And what they do sum for you, and you can do whatever you want. If you want to perform a multiplication here, click on this. There is a asterisk symbol again there is a multiplication symbol again, and now we are going to hit the enter key, and it says that yes, I am going to display the product of that particular session. Hopefully the concept is clear. If clear, kindly type in a chat box yes or no. Type in a chat box yes or no. I'm waiting, my dear students. अरे वाह क्या बात है. चलिए जी, we are just begin with the next practical demonstration here. I'm just going to open this topic, that this is to be called as a relative, this is to be called as absolute, and this is to be called as a mixed. तो मुझे शब्दों से ये समझ आया कि relative कुछ है, absolute कुछ है, और relative और absolute दोनों का combination, that is to be called as a mixed. Very good, great. That is to be called as a mixed. Okay, wait for a while, and it's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly read this. It's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly read this particular. Very good, very good, very good. मजा आ जाएगा. एक बार आप रीड करिए, फिर कवलजीत सर आपको बताते हैं. जल्दी से देखिएगा प्लीज. It's my humble request. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Great. ओके. जिन्होंने रीड कर लिया वो थोड़ा सा इसको अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए. अभी आ गए कवलजीत सर आपके पास. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलिए जी, जिन लोगों ने रीड कर लिया वो हैंड रेज करिए. वेरी गुड. Now you are supposed to raise your hand if you have read that particular. Very good. अरे वाह, अभी सिर्फ 10 लोगों ने, अरे यार ये तो इट्स नॉट फेयर इनफ, आई थिंक सो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Great, 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 great. Very good. Okay. Now concentrate here, my dear respected student. It says that relative reference, the row and, अच्छा मुझे एक बार बताइएगा चैट बॉक्स में, the address of row is mentioned with a number or alphabet. Very good. जल्दी से बताइए. Rows are representing with number or alphabet. जल्दी से मैं वेट कर रहा हूं. Number, very good. And column is represented with the number or alphabet. Very good. Very good. That is with the alphabet. Great. Okay. The rows and column references can change. Reference का मतलब अगर किसी रो और कॉलम का एड्रेस चेंज हो रहा है, then it is to be called as a relative reference. While we are copy the content of one cell to another and the reference of that particular cell is going to be changed, then is to be called as a relative reference. Kindly view the practical demonstration. Here it is, a practical number 2. Kindly concentrate. It's my humble request. Kindly concentrate. My dear respected student, kindly watch this. It's my humble request. You all are requested to kindly watch. Okay. And one very important aspect here. You all are requested to concentrate on your practical sessions, but I'm just going to paste one link in your WhatsApp groups, my dear respected students. That is a link of attendance for computer only. Okay. So you are requested to kindly do it later on. But now only you are requested to kindly concentrate on your work. It's my humble request. You are requested to concentrate on your work only in spite of looking here and there. It's my humble request. Okay. Now kindly concentrate. What we are going to do, this is the concept where we say that principal amount, rate of interest, time in years, interest amount. Can you please type in a chat box that how we are going to find this information, whether we are going to add these or whether we are supposed to multiply these. Very good. I am waiting in your chat box. No one is going to be typing multiply. Very good. Great. Okay, thank you. P into R into T. Arey wah, kya baat hai. Okay, so what we are going to do here, and next time you are supposed to mention the formula. Okay, I am going to press the equal to sign here. Click here, the address is A2. I am going to insert a multiplication. Again, clicking on the cell B2. Again, inserting multiplication. Again, click on the cell C2. And I just going to hit the enter key. Kindly, whenever we are going to click here on this cell, in a formula bar, the formula is appearing A2, B2, C2. Okay. So when we are going to drag this towards the downside, automatically the address of cells are supposed to be changed. In first case, the address of cells are A2, B2 and C2. Okay, done. But in second cell, automatically they are changing A3, B3 and C3. In next case, my dear respected student, they automatically change that A4, B4 and C4. Now it's very easy to understand when the address of a cell is supposed to be changed, then it is to be called as a which kind of referencing? Kindly type in a chat box. Very good, I'm waiting. Which kind of referencing? Where the address of cell is going to be changed. Very good. Relative, which is to be called as a relative reference. Okay, and it's very important, my dear students, that you are supposed to memorize these and everything with the help of a practical demonstration in spite of cramming. Great. Sir, we have to divide it by 100 at last. No problem. Thank you, Pratyush. Great. Okay. After that, my dear respected student, again, we are switching for a presentation section. The next part is to be called as the absolute. Okay. In relative, the address of the cells are supposed to be changed, but in case of absolute reference, the kindly concentrate. It says the row and column references do not change. The address of your cell is not going to be changed when we talk about the absolute reference. तो अपने मस्तिष्क के अंदर इस बात को ले जाइए. In case of a relative, the address of the cells is supposed to be changed, but in case of a absolute, the address of that particular cell is not going to be changed. Okay, and very one important thing, point to remember in case of a absolute reference, that we are using a dollar symbol. Right now you only supposed to understand that we are using a dollar symbol. Now I just switch to a practical demonstration, my dear respected students, for representing a absolute reference. Kindly concentrate. Practical session 3. Okay, now kindly watch this. In our previous example, principal amount, rate of interest, time in year, where time in year is different for all amounts, but in practical 3, what we have mentioned, principal amount is different, rate of interest is different, but time is supposed to be only one, that is 2 years in case of all the amounts. So what we are going to do here, kindly watch. First of all, I am just talking about a relative. If we are applying a relative, that what will be the output? We are supposed to mention here, okay, I'm just going to click here A2, then we are supposed to multiply, then we are going to click on a 5% B2, then again we are going to multiply, then we are going to click on a 2, that is the cell address is A10, and we are supposed to hit the enter. Okay, it's fine, sir, it's fine. Very good, thank you very much. But now what happened when we are going to drag towards the downward? Now they display the value 0. Why so? Please, it's my humble request, kindly watch. A2, B2, A10. It means this is the cell where the address of that particular cell is A10. And this cell will remain same for all the principal amounts. But when we drag towards the downside, this time they says A11, okay, which is not correct. This time they display A12, which is again not correct. This time they display A13, which is not correct. Again, this time they display A14, which is not very much correct, because we required a constant address, which is not supposed to be changed. So what we are going to do here, we are supposed to insert a dollar in front of A. Again, we are supposed to insert a dollar in front of 10 to make this particular cell a कांस्टेंट. मेरे बच्चों को अगर मेरी यहां तक की बात समझ आ गई कि हमने अब ये डॉलर सिंबल क्यों इंसर्ट किया, टू मेक दिस सेल constant, which is not supposed to be changed. Now what we are going to do, we are supposed to drag this toward the downward side, and now they display the value, because this time A11 is not appearing in this cell, A12 is not appearing in this cell, A13 is not appearing in this cell, and A14 is not appearing in this cell. Why so? Because we make this a constant where the address of cell is not going to be changed. जिस मेरे प्यारे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई, कृपया करके. Okay, Simran says, sir, explain. Sir, please explain again. Okay, Simran, no problem. Kindly watch it again. I'm just going to delete this one. My dear respected student. Is equal to symbol. Very good. I'm just going to click here. Apply a product symbol. Again, here it is applying a product symbol. Again, because I have only one time for all the different amounts, I'm just going to click on the enter. The amount is going to be, interest amount is going to be displayed here. But what happened here, when we are supposed to drag it towards downward, they talk about A11. This cell is A11 and nothing is mentioned here. Okay, after that, next A12 is this, nothing is mentioned here. A13 is this, nothing is mentioned here. A14 is this, nothing is mentioned here. So if you want that the address of the cell is not going to be changed, cell ka address agar change na ho, so what we are going to do, we are going to insert a dollar in front of A representing a name of the column, whereas 10 representing a name of the row. I'm just going to again insert a dollar symbol here and click on the key that is enter. And now I'm just going to drag it towards the downside, and now it will happen. My dear respected student, if it is clear now, okay, two, three students saying that, sir, please explain. Okay, if now it's better, kindly tell me in a chat box, no problem. Yes, very good. जितने भी लोग yes बोल रहे हैं, okay बोल रहे हैं, you are requested to type formula in a chat box. Very good. Those who are saying that yes, they are requested to type the formula in a chat box, that how we are supposed to display the concept of absolute reference. Very good. Okay, stop typing yes, now type a formula. Very good. Manoj, I am talking about a formula, not a dollar symbol. I am talking about a formula. It's my humble request. Very good. Cell address is A2 is equal to A2 multiplied by B2 multiplied by dollar C dollar A $10. Very good. Very good. Very good. Vidhansh Chopra ji. Are wow, Vidhansh ji. Namaskar. Namaskar. Thank you very much. Vidhansh, you are requested to kindly view it in a video. If you even you having a problem, in such case you are supposed to discuss the same, and Kavaljeet sir is available by 24/7. No problem at all. Thank you very much. And Pratyush and many more students, you are not supposed to type a multiplication symbol here. You are supposed to type a asterisk symbol. This is wrong, I think so. And this one is correct for all. ये सबको पता होना चाहिए कि ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल है, जो स्टैरिक डालोगे वो करेक्ट है, और जो आप वैसे अदरवाइज जो सिंबल डाल रहे हैं, जो आप मैथमेटिकल सिंबल यूज करते हैं, दैट इज टू बी कंसीडर एज अ रॉन्ग वन. ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. Okay, my dear respected students, again we are supposed to begin with the last concept. I think so this is the last one. Very good, great. Now next thing we are talking about a mixed. It's my humble request, kindly concentrate. I'm not going to elaborate anything after this. I think so one more topic is there, but you are supposed to concentrate on this topic, please. Mixed reference. I'm just going to talk about the row or, mere beta, my humble request, kindly concentrate. Here it says the row or column. In previous sections, relative and absolute, they mentioned row and column, but here they says row or, row या column. पहले वो कह रहा था row or column. और column मतलब आप इसको justification दीजिएगा. There is a difference in between and or. The row or column references is relative while the other is absolute. इसका अर्थ क्या हुआ कि हो सकता है कि आपका जो एक सेल है उसका एड्रेस है A2. So A is representing the address of the column, whereas 2 is representing the address of the row. So there is a possibility that we make a column absolute and we make a row relative और वाइस वर्सा. वाइस वर्सा का मतलब उल्टा, कि हमने पहले रो को रिलेटिव बना लिया, कॉलम को एब्सोल्यूट, अब हमने कॉलम को रिलेटिव बना लिया, रो को एब्सोल्यूट. नो, आप बोलेंगे कि सर ये तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा है, बट पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर हियर, दिस इज अ B3. मेरे बेटा मेरी बात को सुनिएगा. हियर इट इज B says that I am a column and 3 says that I am a row. So in such case what we make absolute, हमने absolute जो change नहीं होगा उसको किसको बनाया? We make a absolute that is a B. In next address that is a C2, C is again a column and 2 is to be considered as a row. Now what we are making? We are making a row absolute and a column is a relative. Column is a relative. Kindly concentrate. In a chat box, I'm just going to type something in a chat box, everyone publicly. I have mentioned B3. B3 आप बताइए, सब लोग बताइए कि इसमें से कॉलम कौन सा है और रो कौन सा है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अच्छा मेरे पास अच्छा मैं वर्बली बोल देता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. आप देखिएगा प्लीज, आप देखिए प्लीज. मैंने लिखा B3. इसमें B क्या है, सबसे पहले बताइए B क्या है. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मुझे टाइपिंग अभी नजर नहीं आ रही. वेरी गुड. B इज अ कॉलम. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. एंड 3 इज अ रो. अरे वाह क्या बात है यार. B इज अ column and 3 is a row. Very good, very good, very good, great. Thank you very much. Now just concentrate on a practical demonstration, my dear respected students. It says, kindly concentrate, kindly concentrate. And it's my humble request, you are requested to kindly concentrate, and then you are able to perform the practicals. So what we are going to do here, this is 1 2 3 4 is a length, and this is a breadth. 1 2 3 4. What we are supposed to perform here, we are supposed to perform 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Okay, after that 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. And what I want that this is the column that is a B, this is a column that is a B, and this is a row that is a 2. This is a row that is a 2. So what I want to make a column B as a absolute. Means absolute, the address is not supposed to be changed here. So what we are going to insert here, we are inserting here it is a dollar symbol, and then we inserting a B. Okay, and what is the address? What is the address? I have mentioned here B3. And if this is the confusing part, you are supposed to click here and click type is equal to and click here, and then you are supposed to insert a symbol that is a dollar symbol here. Okay, so what you're going to do next, I am just going to insert a multiplication symbol and click on this row, that is the row that is 2, and I want a row 2 is remain constant. Then what we are going to do, we are supposed to insert a dollar symbol in a row 2. Those who want to repeat me again, because time is very less. Okay, no problem, kindly watch. I'm just going to hit the enter key, and I'm start going dragging this information. Okay, now what happened here, this column will remain constant here. It says that I am representing with a dollar. It means this is the absolute, this is not going to be changed. And here it is, the row 2 is again there is a dollar which is not going to be changed, because this will remain constant. This will remain constant. And rest what we are going to do, we are going to select this, and we are supposed to drag towards the downside, and the information is representing. Very good. Kindly type yes or no. Kindly type yes or no. Very good, very good. 3 row. Okay, very good. अभी हिमांशी का मेरे पास 3 row आ रहा है. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, one more time I am going to do this. One more time I am going to perform this activity. Kindly concentrate. I am going to delete this. This is the column B. This is the row 2. I just is equal to symbol. Click here. Make a column absolute by inserting this symbol, asterisk symbol. Then click here, and then making a row constant, inserting this symbol. Click here, drag this is toward this side, and drag this is toward this side. This is the concept what we are going to do here. मेरे बच्चों को क्लियर है तो एक बार यस तो कर दो यार, ऐसे मत किया करो तुम लोग. वेरी गुड, फटाफट जरा यस आए मेरे पास, फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अच्छा अब ये बताइएगा, मैं एक टॉपिक और था सर्कुलर रेफरेंसिंग का, बस मैं वो छोड़ रहा हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. आज मेरे साथ कौन प्रॉमिस कर रहा है जो घर पे इन प्रैक्टिकल्स को करके करेगा? एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्रिएट वन रिसोर्स. मैं एक रिसोर्स बना रहा हूँ. इन दैट रिसोर्स यू ऑल आर सपोज टू अपलोड योर वर्क विच यू आर सपोज टू डू प्रैक्टिकली. जो आप प्रैक्टिकली कर रहे हैं वो चीजें आप वहां पे अपलोड करेंगे. जो मुझे यहाँ पे यस टाइप कर रहा है, अभी मुझे कुछ ही लोगों का ऐसा है, या मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे यस नजर नहीं आ रहा, या आप लोग यस टाइप नहीं कर रहे. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. My dear respected students, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to see you all. And it's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly concentrate towards your work in spite of doing some other things. And I'm very, very much glad to see you all, whether it is visual or audio. So thank you very much. Thanks for your cooperation. And if you have any kind of query, my dear respected student, watch this video. This video is supposed to be uploaded